Hello guys, this is Hello Into Threes of Math Mastermind 7. Today, it is 4th of July, and we're going to record ourselves watching the fireworks. Also, holding sparklers. You'll see. My niece.
Go Gigi, go Gigi. Go Gigi, go Gigi.
Don't know what that was. So I'm just gonna go relax for a moment until the fireworks show starts. Nothing's happened yet, so when it gets louder and when the sky darkens, I'll be right outside. I'm just gonna go ahead and play some Battle Cats while I wait. So, stay tuned. Sorry, wait. Huh, I missed it.
That was a nice one.
Really? Okay. Let's set him
Want
off.
to take a picture of it?
I'm filming it right now.
Yeah, but we have to put it on.
Just put in the.
Don't.
It
Not
just
me.
ran out.
Oh, ran out.
No, it's not gonna actually spray.
Oh, okay. Oh, ran out. Right. Okay.
She wanted coconut water.
Yeah.
It's not yours. It's the,
I was sitting at someone else's house because they said I could do that.
you can have it.
Yay!
Oh, sure. Boom. Just wait for it. Boom.
You can leave it right here.
Yay!
There, go sit right here.
No, I'm alive.
See.
It's okay, baby.
That's so tiny.
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah, that was so. Yay! And now. Yay!
As soon as it goes, throw it out, okay?
Yeah. Go ahead.
La la la.
All right. I hold it from here.
Hold it right there, and then all you gotta do is just push down on it.
Mama's belly.
I know, I ate so much.
Then you get a good. Coach.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's the high school over here.
I don't think it's 8 minutes. I think it's away from everybody.
You'll lose that finger.
Go it.
A little too hard, baby.
Too hard. Oh.
Hey, but it's still worth it.
Do not look directly into it.
Who's next?
Could you imagine there's a car coming? Oh, like right now?
Hey, Matthew, you go, Matthew.
And hit it. Don't play it.
Come on around.
Hold on, maybe we
Around,
can.
yeah.
There you go. You want to light it or you want me to light it?
Oh my gosh, our car's coming in a car.
Yeah, just wait.
Oh, the car made a bigger one.
Well, isn't that a bit too close?
No.
What happened?
You
perfect.
got it.
Look,
Nathan, look.
look over there.
How do I?
I just press.
Oh, hold on. Record this first.
But also for the record, I'm using our.
Yeah. Too close to the.
That's nice.
I blew it out.
That one's lasting the longest. Jeez.
Cordy.
Record. Breathe in some smoke. Oh, I missed something, did I? Where? Kind of catched it. What was that? Set off an alarm. Oh, no. There's sirens now. Oh no! Here comes the popo. Wow.
Not too far next time. There
Not
might
too
be
far.
cars.
There are cars coming, you know. Oh, this is bright. Epilepsy warning, I guess.
No.
Well, the car's coming.
Well, it should go out by the time it arrives.
It's over there.
I thought I was recording it. My brother thinks that there's gonna be 7 drones.
I
Police
just
drones.
picked my 7 for fun.
Lucky number 7, and you
drones.
at the Kushime picked 4, and I think there's gonna be like 10 police drones around here. I think that's a bit too much, but I'm just gonna stick with my number. Just cause. Fireworks.
Nathan,
All right.
me.
All right. I'll sit down with you.
Hey, you can't wait until the fireworks show. Nathan, because when I stand, it kind of hurts my feet. Wait, you want to record your brother?
Yeah, I am right now.
Yeah.
Oh, fireworks.
Okay, hold on.
Ow!
But
Yeah, you need to be taught some manners, honestly.
The video.
no, I said we're gonna see the video that you record of your brother.
Oh, okay.
Stop it! Stop it!
Wrong way. Is it going? Oh, it is.
No, there's fireworks right there. There's that one.
Okay.
Oh my God, there's fireworks. Oh my God, you keep making that.
All right.
Okay, just look for a firework.
All right. Let's see if there's anything here.
There's just one behind you. I like that one.
I'm gonna have to put it a little farther. Let's put it a bit farther.
All right.
Let me hold it.
Oh, yeah. Hold it.
I'm gonna hold it from here. I'm not moving because I got the baby.
Here, I'll record him.
Here, you do your mess.
What?
I just said I don't trust you. She has misbehaved like 3 times already. I'm not gonna trust you today, at least.
Just tell the mom. Did you tell the mom? And then you tell her.
Yes.
All right.
Then you
You wanna do it?
I don't want to do it for you. Stop being a sarcasm. Come on, Papa.
Things happening out there. Oh. As I was saying, something is happening out there. I just can't tell what it is. Whoa. Okay. What an interruption.
Why smiling?
Because, why am I smiling?
Why?
Because it's beautiful.
No, because I keep following your direction.
Oh.
When you stand.
Whoa. Don't get in the way. I'm trying to record.
Nathan, 2 police drones.
2 police drones. Okay. All right. That's 2. Oh, I see it right here. Yeah. It's right there.
Remember,
It's right there. Anyways.
Can I see the video?
Yeah. Oh. Up. Found something. It's just so tiny. What? Whoa. Okay. You could have Okay, so. Finally, this one. From behind this. So, look at that. Whoa. Don't get it away. Don't. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm trying to record. Okay. Oh.
I want to see the video.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
It was so cool. Oh! No, you missed it.
Miss one. Okay. Okay. I have to record. Please, please. Whoa.
Settle down.
Yeah?
Wait, there's one right there. It's lighting up. It's really lighting up.
Okay.
No one.
Oh. Okay, was about to do one? Let's watch. Let's watch.
Wait, I saw one.
So? Let's just record this first.
Yeah, because these are special little babies.
Mama, you want me to
Yeah.
go grab you a jacket?
Let's see.
There's a couple of blankets here if you want to, you know.
Oh, I missed one. Oh,
But it's fine. It's fine because look it.
all right.
You get to
Leia,
see
come
it.
down. Kiki,
I
come
got-
here.
Whoa. You might want to back.
Oh,
I
okay.
would expect a little bit more from that box. Yeah.
Oh, what? Missed one.
Hey, Dad, record.
Yeah?
Record.
Oh.
Because I just did that one.
I should film it this way.
You can sit right here.
Okay.
You can sit over here. Also.
Oh, that was it. No, why did I miss that?
It's mostly just loud noise. It's not really a...
It's fine. You still get to see mine. You saw
Smells
everything.
like smoke around here.
You could make. How come you have to record everything?
Oh, because I just wanted to record every firework in sight so that I can post it on YouTube.
Matthew.
Yeah? Yeah? This one?
No. Listen to,
Okay. We light the big ones. We're gonna light the big fireworks.
Oh, there's lava.
Any of them?
Any of them. You could go for something big, like this one, for example. Go for that one.
If you want to go for the zombie crawl,
That looks interesting.
Wait, which one is this one? Which one is this
it's
one?
called
Hanky tank.
Hanky Tank.
Okay, yeah,
go
you go for
light 'em.
that.
Yeah.
Light 'em up. Let's do this.
Go first.
Yeah, you could go first.
No, you can go first.
I go first? Okay, thank you. Alright, how do I do this? Okay. Alright, let's light them up. Okay, I do this. Right here. Oh, hold on, let me just turn it this way. Ouch! Ouch! Ow!
Powerful.
Ah. My hand. My thumb. Honestly, like time for warm. It should be. My hand should be fine. Ah, no! I'm forced to film this only but you're so to film this fireworks too. You guys?
You have to make a show. Come on now. Wow. Sugar bee. So hard.
Nathan, you missed from behind the house.
Okay. I filmed that too.
Huh?
I filmed that.
Let's film that. Nathan, you picked the right one.
Yay. It's Leia's turn.
No, Nathan's gonna go right.
No, Matthew.
Matthew, sorry.
If you want your turn next, you gotta sit down.
I want to go. I'm going to go.
I missed it. Oh, my thumb feels dry all of a sudden. Yeah, I think I got it okay.
La la la. Wait, can you just take a picture of mine because mine is.
I know, it's your turn next.
This is Leia's firework. She's gonna light it. She's gonna light it up.
Wait, can I see?
And there's my brother.
I want to do that, please.
You gonna do that with your dad?
Yeah.
Bisa ka mag-like?
After I'm done.
Got one.
Record. You only come.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. I think the light of the firework is affecting my camera. Oh, this ain't good.
Boom.
Boom.
I thought it was gonna be like.
Hey, almost slipped and fell.
Jesus Christ. Because all I see is just the sparkler, so I'm like, oh my god, did she just light it back there? Leia!
Your turn.
Come on.
Okay, can I?
It's Leia's turn.
They're finished with the sparkler first. Big hands,
Whoa.
hands up.
Okay.
Hands up.
Filming.
And then when mine is done, can you record mine, please?
Yeah.
Yay.
Okay. Oh yeah.
When the biggest one comes.
Okay. Leia's turn. Thanks.
Mine is starting.
Yours is starting?
Nathan, mine's starting right now.
Okay.
Hold on. I want to blow. I'm blowing.
This year.
You get a
You
blow?
keep dropping stuff. It could. Oh my god.
Leia, go.
Yep. That is.
Ah, the smoke.
Get back. Everybody get back. My daddy.
Ah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my.
I like that one.
All right.
Step on it.
Where's the drone?
Drone.
Okay, guys.
Third drone.
Three, absolutely.
3 drones.
Yo, guys.
Okay.
Wait, guys.
Yeah.
Are those stars or drones?
That's a star.
Yeah, okay, I'm just checking.
Yeah, but that's still the third drone. Oh. Is that Leia's?
No, I just it's like
Okay.
Huh? I
The
don't
third drone. My eyes. Epilepsy warning.
Nathan, we'll try our name before it runs out.
Alright.
No, mine ran out. Higher. Oh my gosh, it's never working. Wait, can I have another one that put my fan out? Nathan, you're the only one on.
Ah. I missed it.
Babe, you wanna be the
Oh yeah.
Oh. Ah. Caught one. Finally.
Rita?
Finally caught one.
I'm just gonna wait for the.
Okay.
Fireworks is gonna start. You gotta sit down.
Wait, Nathan.
Leia,
Yeah.
get over here.
Not near
Stay over here.
not near the blankets. Ow, my. Ow.
Nathan, what are you writing?
I'm saying hello. Oh, it's fourth drone. I see a fourth one.
Okay, so I won.
That's the fourth drone. Oh, there's 5. I see another one over here.
Okay, I guess Matthew's in the lead.
Matthew's in the lead.
Wait, I want to finish.
Yeah, I can
What
see
is
one
it?
behind the trees. There's one here, another behind the trees right here. Okay, 6 drones. Oh my goodness. Matthew, I think we're gonna get that one.
Wait, aren't those the same drones or?
No, they're not. You
I
can't.
mean, it could be, but I mean,
It could be. Oh, there's another one here. 7. Oh no, I think that's a plane. That's a plane, is it? Is this a plane?
Wait, Dad, is that a plane?
Is that a plane?
yeah, I think it's a plane, but it's also monitoring.
Okay, yeah, that's still 6 drones. Wait, it
Yeah,
looks
I
too
think
close
that's
for
a
it to be a
plane.
plane, is it? Is
Yeah, I
that too
think that's a
close?
plane.
Yeah, because that's Ella now. It's a plane. That was a drone.
Oh, is that the 7th one?
Oh no, we already saw that one.
Oh, okay.
Unless it's a plane too. Oh.
Okay.
All right, everybody settle down. We're gonna do the thing.
What about Lay's firework?
No more. Oh my gosh.
Oh, my old school is starting up the fireworks. Let's check it out.
Ooh, you're
What
not
is-
missing any.
Rita!
I'm gonna burn Nathan.
No.
All the
Can't
fireworks.
burn. Hey. Whoa, sorry. Ow.
Burn.
Don't poke me. Don't poke me.
Burned.
Aye.
Did I burn you?
Yeah, it's right there. They're going off right now.
Come sit down over here.
Sit down. Come on, sit down.
Yay.
Let's watch the show.
Okay, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
It's not blocking.
Come
it's
on,
not
let's
blocking
go
it.
watch the
It's
fireworks
blocking
over
it.
there.
No, come on, Papa. I'll give you
No,
the
dude.
Come here.
Stop.
How come you stop walking?
Go over there, sit over there.
Did you see me? You missed one. Oh, I see one.
From behind.
I love 4th of July. You get to stay.
Ah. Well, I still caught it. I caught it, actually.
Oh, you missed one right there.
Ah.
It's,
It'll be fine. We got more to film.
oh, it's right there. Oh my god.
Ah.
Is it burning you?
No.
Oh, bam. I saw a golden one.
Still, I'm filming it.
I don't really like because all it does is just sit. Oh, you did it just one time, right?
Krisha, come here, please.
Let me take the baby.
No.
What?
Oh, I see another one.